Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio problem in ZeroSpace game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. Now the first steps to fix sound problem in ZeroSpace game. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, click on sound, scroll down, under advanced option click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab and from the drop down first select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead launch the ZeroSpace game and check if the sound or audio problem is fixed or not. If not, then fix to is to make sure sound level in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the ZeroSpace game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Now if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select stored Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Go to Services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix for is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals, so disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc., and then check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix sound or audio issues in ZeroSpace game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.